everyone. This patient came to us about 2 years ago for an ethnic rhinoplasty and liposuction. She was very happy with the result, and now she wanted to carry that satisfaction into another step of her journey, a temporal and mid-face lift. We're now at her 7-day checkup. At this stage, it's completely normal to see swelling and a bit of tightness across the face. The lifting effect can appear more dramatic in these first days, but over the next few weeks the tissues will relax, the swelling will go down, and the face will settle into a softer, more balanced appearance. One of the most noticeable changes even this early is in the eyes. They already look more open and refreshed, giving the face a brighter, more awake expression. The mid-face has been gently repositioned upward, restoring youthful proportions. Healing is a gradual process. After the initial recovery, each week brings subtle yet visible improvements as swelling continues to subside. Our aim is not only to rejuvenate the face, but also to achieve a natural harmony that complements the patient's own features. The journey is still in its early stages, but the foundation for a beautiful, long-lasting result is already in place.